Okay, so welcome back to another video on Unity, showing off my game, and this time I've done quite a big change. I've made quite a big change, sorry. I have remade the whole area where I've been doing everything. The main reason is because I wasn't happy with the other place. One, it wasn't big enough, and I could have scaled it, but I thought I'd make something new. Rather than having a flat floor, which I really didn't like, I've now made this. It's quite a slippery floor, like you'll see in a second, but I've basically brought everything across here, like the trees, and I've left out some things like the other trees. I've got them in my project ready to use for zones that they look right in, but in this place those trees look so much better. And I've brought the well and Tim and Tiny Tim, and yeah, the water doesn't kill you now because it's not deep enough to bother. I just can't be bothered. I'll make a swimming thing at some point, but the main thing I am doing here, well, this still works. Everything, all the dragging around, everything still works, all the mechanics, I haven't changed anything. Okay, I'm just being bad at dragging. Huh, that's actually... Huh. Wait, what? Okay, no, I was just being silly. I don't know. Must be missing. I've made a new spell. So, we've got obviously all the other spells, but now we have Rock Hurl, which I think is my favourite spell I've made so far. So, obviously we have Sword, and we have Thorns, and these are fun and all, but I've had a lot of fun with Rock Hurl, so let's just like aggro all these enemies. Now this spell's arguably a bit overpowered right now, but that doesn't really matter. Let's just get all these guys and come up here. So, yeah, the nav meshing on here is a bit slippery. Like, on this, I need to increase the friction. But anyway, Rock Hurl. It's like a giant bowling ball, and on this terrain, it likes to always just go back down to the water, which isn't really a problem. Yeah, I really need to make the floor less slippery. Oh my god, these enemies are so slippery. I don't know, it's just so satisfying to use, like, it makes them go flying backwards. I could increase the force, but I feel like it's plenty. Yeah, this floor is he's trying to move towards me, and he's almost here. He's almost here. I'm giving him a false sense of hope. If he hits me now, we'll die anyway. Oh, he almost went flying off the map there. Oh, is he coming back for seconds? I don't know if they can be hit twice. Wait, no, they should be able to. Right, let's try and get him into this. Oh, sorry, dude. No, come on. No, hit that guy. Oh wait, can I line all these up? Do you reckon? Is this possible? I'm not gonna line all of them up, but woof. Well. Woo. Oh my gosh, it's so slippery. But anyway, so I hope you like the new spell. I wonder what happens if I go like this. Oh my gosh, you can definitely launch it. I never even tried that. That's going to be a lot of fun. I'll have to do some tweaking, and the next thing... So what I need to do is I need to definitely fix this dragging. It's a bit clunky, and sometimes it just doesn't work. Yeah, I'll fix that. If I do a really quick drag, it works, but if I do it slowly to the left, it doesn't work. It's something to do with the order in the hierarchy. Yeah. I'll fix that next. So I need to fix the hotbar and this terrain friction. But apart from that, I've been making good progress. Throwing this is really fun. I've also, I think it knocks me back because I have a rigid body. So if I run into it, do I get knocked back? I can't walk into it. It's moving too fast. I think that did push me. I'm gonna try and run into it. Come on. Yeah, it definitely did. Whoa. I feel like I might keep that a thing. I don't know. Say if you think that should be kept a feature. I definitely don't want it to damage me, though. How about... Oh, having two. Why not? Obviously, I'll make the rocks look better rather than just orange, like orangey browny circles. But last thing I'll do before I end the video, I'm going to fire the rock and try and roll it around there. That'd be pretty cool. Oh my god. Oh, no. Ah, it fell down. I did give it a really large mass so that it, when it hit the enemies, it didn't bounce off because it's a rock. It should, you know, it shouldn't be bounced by the enemies. It should bounce the enemies. Woo! That hit the tree. I'm having so much fun with this. What the hell? I'm just going to watch this go as the video ends. Well, that was anticlimactic.